Hi everyone, thanks so much for joining me. Stitching with Sue here. Here to do an unboxing. And I haven't done one of these in quite a while. Let me just grab a drink. I feel a little tickle coming. Okay, there we go. So thank you so much for joining me. I really do appreciate y'all coming here. And like I said, I have an unboxing, aka unbagging to do. This is Creative Notions, which is a monthly subscription box, but it's comes in a bag. So not sure, well, that's irrelevant. But anyhow, this is the monthly subscription. And if you're into sewing, you love fabric, you love notions, totions, potions, all of that, they have got just what it is that you were looking for. So I was kind of surprised I got this today. And when I saw it leaning up against the door, I'm like, FedEx? What did FedEx bring me? So let's go ahead and take a look. So it comes nicely packaged, all beautiful in this really nice bag. And FYI, which I believe, forget who it was that brought it to my attention. And I said, you know, if you were to get the subscription every month, you would have a lot of these bags. So they're great for gift giving. I like to embroider on them. But you know what? When you're looking for a certain fabric, and you look at and you see this is fabric. So don't feel badly about cutting it up and using it in your projects. Sometimes you just need a little bit. And they have their little tag on here, their little emblem for their RV retro trailer. Absolutely love it. So I didn't take a peek. I wanted to save that for you. So let's see, we have Flying Geese accessories, Flying Geese patterns. Cross stitch C separate kit. Oh, cool. This is to cover a 2-inch 3-ring binder, or you can do a table runner. Oh, and I love the pop-up refill fabric bags. Absolutely love them. So this is designed by Sugar and Spice Textile for Creative Notions, and it's featuring Froluc by Amanda Murphy for Contempo byAmanda. byAmanda, I apologize for that. So in here is explanation on how to lay out your fabric, how to cut it. So I'm not going to go through all that with you because you need to subscribe to get this. So step-by-step directions and color photos. Absolutely love that. And I guess this was too big to fit in the bag. Normally everything is tucked in the bag. So let's take a look. I'm not even sure what month this is because it's been a while since I've gotten one. But thank you, Vicki, and everyone at Creative Notions for sending this to me. I really do appreciate it. And it was quite a shock. So, oh, we got a little something inside. They always give you a wonderful treat. I know that I'm going to take this to work tomorrow because sometimes that 2 o'clock thing, you just need a little snack. So this is Nature Valley Crunchy Oats and Honey Granola Bars. Yum, yum, yum. So that'll be a nice snack tomorrow when I go to work, when I have my cup of tea and my little snack, and I'll take Creative Notions with me. So in their bag, they have the tag on the outside. They also have one on the inside. And like I said, these are really cute drawstring bags. You know, if you're traveling, you can put your shoes in here. You can put a craft project in here. Well, you know, there's so many uses for bags, and I am the official bag lady. Can I just say that? I am not into shoes and all that, but bags, that's for me. All right, so let's see what we got. So here's the fabric. We'll save that for last. Ooh, I'm gonna be able to make one of those tote bags. Oh my goodness, Vicki, I'm so excited. So in here is a the spring, and there's even a little label. How cute is that? Let me see what it says. It says Sew Organized Design. Oh my goodness, I'm very excited. I've never made anything like this before. So we have a piece of elastic, and then, oh my gosh, is this just not the cutest? There's Vicki there in her trailer saying, "Heidi ho, everyone." And she actually does have trailers. She has a retro trailer. I've seen it on a video that she's done. And this is the instructions for making a small pop-up refill, and this is the wire that goes inside. So that's super cute. I'm excited about that. And no instructions needed. Are you kidding me? Do not remove tape from pop-up until instructed. Yeah, I bet, because you'll never get that puppy back together again. So that's so fun. That's too cute. Thank you. Excuse me, I have a little frog in my throat. You have to excuse me for excusing me. All right, so, okay, here we have some bacon Brussels sprouts, and this is by Rhett Clark. Well, you know, it has heavy cream in it, so if it's got heavy cream in it, it's for me. And, of course, bacon. Everything's better with bacon. So that's a fun recipe. Thank you for that. And, let's see what we got here. So this is the April 2022 featuring the fabric Froluc by Amanda Murphy for zbenartex. zbenartex? I think I got that. So there were some winners, and all the prizes are from zbenartex this month. I think I'm making that a mess. So fabric guest winner was Amy Fernagel. Scrap winner was Donna Hale Van de Bogart. Oh, I'm sorry. Recipe is Rhett Clark. That was a good one. That was easy. And project winner is Terry Heath. So congrats to all of the winners. So let me just take a look at this, make sure I'm not giving anything away. And there is a discount code on the bottom. So if you are a subscriber and you want to purchase anything, you will get a code for a discount. So what's in the bag? So in the bag, we have 8 fat quarters. We have Flying Geese multi-size square up ruler. Oh, see that. Cross stitch kit, project to go with binder pattern. Oh, how fun. A pop-up tidy bin. Love those. Jewel block weather veins quilt pattern. Quilting shortcuts, tips and tricks. Flying Geese. Binder cover and table runner pattern plus 2 yards of woven ribbon. How fun. So they have a Facebook page, so group. Go over, make sure you check them out. Creative Notions on Facebook. They also have a YouTube channel and a website, and it says our new website is up and running. I'm gonna have to check that out. They have a big variety of items in stock. Don't forget to use your discount code when you check out. Make sure it's all caps. You'll need to re-sign up for a newsletter. Your sign in to the old website will no longer work. So make a new one. This little smiley face over the word new. So kits, they have dozens of kits in stock. Wide backs, many great wide back, 108 fabrics in the store. Lori Holt. Pillow kit block of the month by Riley Blake. Long arm quilting they offer. Wool and embroidery. They're carrying some wool kits. Those are fun. All right, so let's see what's on the back. Okay, YouTube, we hope you all watched our new video on how to make the apple cord quilt. I missed that one. I'm gonna check that out. There's gonna be a video coming on how to make the amazing projects in our bag this month. Oh, that's great. I mean, I could read this till I'm blue in the face. I am a visual person. So they're doing a competition to see how much we can grow. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment. We're giving away a 3-month subscription to a person who leaves a comment and is a follower. The drawing is on 6/17. They're having a mug rug contest. Oh, I love mug rugs. You know, I do a lot of machine embroidery work, and I think the first thing I was addicted to when I started doing machine embroidery was mug rugs. And I would say to people, oh, look at these fun mug rugs. Or I'd go to a craft show and I'd have them for sale, and they look at them and they say, what is that? I'm like, you probably know it as a coaster. So if you're wondering what is a mug rug, it's a coaster, but it's a fancy way because it's not just a coaster, it's a mug rug. It's a rug for your mug. Okay, so they are doing a competition extended through June 17th. So Facebook group, email your entry with your picture and name. Our birthday is fast approaching. Let's get started on our UFOs. We'll be giving away lots of prizes, including sewing machine. Oh, fab. The grand prize winner needs to be a subscriber. Post your finishes on our Facebook group, Creative Notions group, and tag #Creative Notions Quilt Shop. If your post isn't tagged, we won't see it, or email or text, and they'll post it for you. So good luck. We can't wait to see what you've been making. I know, me too. I get so inspired when I see what others create. All right, let's check what else we got in here. So I kind of read it off to you, but seeing is believing, right? So this is, oh, I love cross stitch. I have not done cross stitch in forever. I ended up years ago, did so much plastic canvas cross stitch, counted cross stitch, needlework, all of that, and carpal tunnel, bilateral. Had to have that done. So that kind of put a kibitz to that. And so I started sewing after that. So this is Grateful. More word choices and alphabet included. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Oh, and they gave you these little cardboard pieces that you can wind your floss on. And here's your embroidery thread. Gotta say, purple, my favorite color. I have to probably say 3 of these are my favorite color. And here's that pretty ribbon. Oh my gosh, with the hearts. And here's the Aida cloth. And it looks like it's a good size. Sometimes the Aida cloth is so, I think that's how you say it. It's been a long time. Is so teeny tiny. Well, this is tiny, but you know, I'll probably have to take my glasses off in order to do it. But all right, so we're doing the word grateful on there. Oh, and they have other words. Okay. So we have grateful, we have patterns, we have journal, and we have the alphabet. That's fabulous. And here you can sketch out your own word or name. And here's the rest of the alphabet. So designed by Sugar and Spice Textile. Oh, you do a great job in everything you do. So that's exciting. These are really new projects and things that I have not yet seen since Creative Notions has started their subscription program. All right, so let's put that aside. And here we have, let me just roll it the other way. There we go. Weather Vane Picnic Quilt. That is so gorgeous. And it's using the fabric. Oh, there's something in the middle of that. And this is the Froluc fabric. Extra ideas to use jewel blocks. Wow, this looks a little involved. And here is the Quilting Shortcuts, Tips and Tricks for Flying Geese. So that you probably want to take a look at before starting. And I like that there's full color instructions, pictures, sizes on how to cut. So that is fab. It's so pretty. I love all the colors. Alrighty. So let's see what we have here. So finest detail right down to a ribbon tie that has Creative Notions on it. And it's making memories one stitch at a time. Super cute. I saved these. I don't know, I just saved these. You know, that's me. I can't throw anything away. So what do we have tucked inside here? We have a ruler. Oh, and I think that's what I saw on there. This is a, let me put it the right way, and right side up, Flying Geese Square Up Ruler. Well, I've never done any flying geese, so I really can't tell you that this is fab because I have to read the directions on how to use it. Or I'll just wait for the video because Vicki does a great job on her videos. So that's super fun. And here is our fabric. Let me flip it this way. Beautiful fabric, loving all the colors. Look at this, all over design. Let me make sure I'm in the camera. Here we go. Apologize if I wasn't before because the camera's up there and I'm looking here. So look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. The color combos are absolutely perfect. Let's take a look at that. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So let me just spread these out here. Okay, so that's number 2. And this one is just like the previous print, but with a green background. I don't know. I don't know if I like the blue or the green better. They're both stunning. Different kind of flowers on there. Beautiful. And here is another, I think I'm seeing my favorite fabric. Beautiful all over tones, tone on tone. Very beautiful. I have to say, so far, I'm giving this one my big thumbs up because I am a purple girl. How many of you like purple? And I love it. It's non-directional, so no matter how you lay it out, it's going to be perfect. Love all this. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. I could see a few little embellishments if you're making an album cover. The center of these flowers would be perfect to put. Let me grab. Should be here because I'm at my stamping table. And you know, if I'm at my stamping table, then I got stamping stuff here. How about some of these embellishments on there? Look at those. Wouldn't that be pretty? Stick that on the top of there, in the center of that flower. Beautiful. And that's my dog. I guess she heard enough of me. She left. Look how pretty that is. And you know what? From being folded up and everything, there's not even a crease in that. Have you noticed that? Like there's no deep creases in any of this fabric. So it's so beautiful, soft, lush, plush. Love it. And here we have a little small flower. Now this one has a little bit of a crease, but you just do a finger fold like that, finger press, and you're good to go. And then the final one is this one. This is absolutely gorgeous as well. Such pretty fabric. Love it, love it, love it. All right, so that is the April subscription bag. Did I say April? Did I say April? Hold on. It is April 2022. And beautiful fabric. Make some fun projects out of this. Whether you make the table runner, definitely want to make that pop-up trash bag. So Vicki, I'll be looking for that video. Hope you'll be offering that because this is going to be super fun. And you know, my room has like teal, not really teal, like this color, like a turquoise paint on it, and these colors are going to be perfect. So that is this month's, well, April's subscription bag. So I'll just put it all here, featuring Froluc. We got the pop-up, we got the picnic quilt, we got the kit to do the cross stitch, and we had the yummy bacon Brussels sprouts. Even if you're not a fan of Brussels sprouts, everything's better with bacon on it. And our little treat that I'll enjoy tomorrow. So thank you so much, Vicki, and everyone at Creative Notions. And if you have not yet subscribed, be sure to go on over to creativenotionsquiltshop.com. Check it out, subscribe. You won't be sorry. You will love each and every month because it's packed filled with lots of goodies. So I hope you are well wherever it is you're watching. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. Go ahead and ring the notification bell, and then you'll be notified when I upload new videos, whether it be stitching, quilting, sewing, stamping, crafting, or just here, just see what all, I got in my bag. Thanks so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you back here again real soon. Have a good night. Bye-bye for now.